So today we are going to make this thumbnail on mobile. So let's get started. At first open your Pixel Lab application and then click on the three dot and go to image size and select here YouTube channel banner and click OK. Now you can get the 4K thumbnail resolution. Now you import a blur image. You can use PicsArt for making a blur image just like as me. And if you want this blur image link, so I will provide it on description. Now this is the time to add a text on your thumbnail. So go to the text option and write your text. But me typing here thumbnail. You can get my font and picture link in the description. But you can choose your font on here. I am resizing it and then add another text. I am writing here like a pro. That means thumbnail like a pro. Then I also give a font. Obviously, do not forget to check the description below. Here you can get the thumbnail like a pros font link. Go to the color and I am adding thumb this to red and like a pros color in red. That is so beautiful and good looking. Now you need to add the shadow, so go to the shadow option and enable it. Now we need to add these two objects. So now you can see these two texts are in one object. Now I am clicking on the center and make bigger of the size. And now you can also add a image just like as me. I am adding the image of Pixel Lab application. So I'm going to the plus button and from gallery, and you can use the random picture of anything. I'm adding it in the bottom. You can use this pro tip to add your picture in bottom. Just see it. Now your thumbnail is almost ready. Go to the save as image and format is JPG and quality ultra. I'm saving image. Then let's see the output. Now you can see that I make this thumbnail in 2 or 3 minutes in Pixel Lab. So if you like this video, then do not forget to like, comment and share to your friend. And if you are not able to blur your image, then definitely know in the comment section. I am uploaded a separate video of how to blur a image on PicsArt. So that's it for today guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.